Hello, today's poem is called Caribbean and it's acrostic. Caressing the sand on my Caribbean retreat and being lured to the edge of clear translucency. Reggae music combined with steel drums call me back to land. Rhythm of that metallic band has got my hips a-swaying. Inclined to chill my days away. Busy is not for me. Ecstatic am I to be here with people of a like-minded inclination, to chill, relax and live. At home in this situation, I extend my vacation. No, I'll up sticks and move here, work in a bar, or perhaps join the local steel band. Thanks for listening. Bye.